What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. Mud. Today's video includes mud. So you see her now, she's sitting a little bit pretty. There's still chunks of mud lodged everywhere in the truck, but for the most part, we're looking all right. If you didn't watch my last video, it was based on the cab mount chop. Me and Sandy head out 3 hours away from home, and we try to do as many things as we can out there since, well, you know, it's rather far. So we hit the beach, we go to this nice mall, we get the cab mount chop done, and we find some mud. I heard about this place off of a Facebook group chat. I was like, hey, I'm out in Virginia Beach. Is there anywhere to go to get my truck a little dirty? The crowd responded. So we go check this place out. As I was entering, there's this Ford Focus leaving, and the driver had the biggest grin on his face. His car was plastered in mud. I'm gonna post some pictures right now of what the truck looked like yesterday. Now that I've given you guys a little bit of a preview of what the truck looked like, I'm gonna roll some clips of the truck being an absolute beast. I have to wash this truck like right away. I'm probably gonna wash this at home just so I don't take it into the automatic car wash. By the time I wash this, this is gonna be dry, so I'm gonna have to take it to the car wash. But this thing is looking nice. There's a big puddle over there. I don't know if I should go through it, but maybe we will, maybe we won't. I'm not sure. I stepped on a pointy rock. I'm trying to see if I can go through this with my truck. I always talk about how my truck can do anything. Let's just see how deep this actually is. All right, it doesn't seem too deep. Bring the truck. Okay, put the windows up and hit the gas hard. Just keep going straight, but I'll be fine. You're gonna go through the middle? Or should I go through here? If you're gonna go, turn four-wheel drive on just in case.
Do I just turn it?
Yeah, just turn it.
Okay, and what do I do?
And just keep your momentum, don't stop. Back up, back up, back up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Why are you guys scared for? Come on. Whoa. Slow down. Okay. You guys scared when it started sliding, right?
What happened? I got stuck for a little bit. Babe, I got so scared.
I did too, actually.
I just looked at you like, what the freak do we do now?
So, what did you think? I get it, I wasn't like high speed mudding, but that was a lot of fun. Me personally, I would much rather have someone off-road my vehicle and let me watch than me actually be off-roading. Watching Sandy go around with the truck was an absolute blast. I kid you not, we were there maybe an hour. That whole time I drove like 10 minutes. I just kept telling her, like, can you go this way? Can you go that way? Can you go through here? Can you go through there? Thankfully we got home and we're a-okay. The only thing I will say is there's something rattling back there. Now that I think about it, I think I know what it is. You see that little chain right there? Yeah, I think that's what it was. I don't know about you guys, but I would much rather go mudding. I don't know if that's what it's called. That's what I think it's called. At least around me. I haven't seen any trails that are really worthwhile, at least around me. Just seeing Sandy get stuck and like kind of panicking. And, okay, and I didn't overreact. Most of the time, I overreact. I wanted to show you guys this one because I didn't overreact. Other times, I panic. Watching her slide and not know what to do, something about it was pretty funny. I hope she's not watching this video. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. Please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription if you did enjoy. Road to 1 million. I really want to hit 1 million subscribers. I don't know how we're going to do that, but we're pushing for it. So if you want to be part of the Aing gang, if you want to be part of the team, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscription. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm Ari Like and Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.